Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt's Custom Countertops and Creations. Today I'm going to be working on this door. This is going to be a time-consuming process. The door is estimated to be about 130 years old. It's a special size and order. So the homeowner here has decided to, redo the door. It's solid wood. It looks nice. The only thing is it needs a new window. So homeowner is me, by the way. And rather than spending a couple $1,000s on a brand new door to get put in here, I'm going to be redoing the entire door, including the window. I used to build windows and doors for Pella way back in the day, and those skills should come in handy over the next week. So that's the plan for this, to take a week and make this into a new door. These hinges are pretty old, as you can see there. Flathead screwdriver tip. They're not very long though. Right there is one. So they're not very long, but since they are most likely over 100 years old, they're pretty corroded and proving to be a pain in the butt to get out. As you can see right there. Well, hey everybody, check this out. This is a 130-ish year old entry door that I am restoring. I've got most of the paint stripped off. It has been a long day. I've been working on this now for about 3 hours. It's stripping just the top. I still need to flip it over and do the other side, but check that detail out. It is solid wood. It is looking gorgeous. I can't wait to get it done. By the way, my wife can't wait for it to get done either, because we're gonna have a piece of OSB for a front door until I get it done. So stay tuned. All right, so very happy with how the exterior part of this door is turning out. I've got it stripped down. I did not go all the way down to the bare wood. As you can see, I've already started putting the primer on. Most of it is bare wood, but since we are going to be primer and painting with exterior paint, I didn't need to go all the way down to bare wood. I just needed to get it smooth. So check that out. Let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned for more videos on this 130-year-old entry door. All right, so this is that entry door I'm working on for my wife and I for our front door. This is a door most likely from 1888 when the house was built. It looked original to the house, and so excited with how it's turning out. It is currently primered on this side, which is the interior side, and then also it's primered on the other side, the exterior side. So next time you see it, it will get paint. Once it is painted, it will get the glass put in. So yeah. Hey, this is Timothy Holt with Holt's Custom Countertops and Creations. This is that entry door that I've been working on. I did not get any footage of putting in the glass, I just realized, but you can see some spacer pieces in there to keep the two panes apart. They're 1/8 inch thick safety glass, and I did use tempered safety glass. You can see the little label there. I did use some butyl in between them. This was facing down, and then if we switch to the other side, we have some molding pieces to finish sealing it off. So really like how the glass went in. You can see my reflection there. So it is butyl between the panes, as you can see right there, and then just the molding piece to cover it up. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This 130 plus year old door is installed. It's been completely reworked. We do need to get the trim put in still, as you can see going around, but it is working very nice. New hardware, opens, shuts very well. Put new trim work around it. Need to touch up a little bit on the paint, but otherwise Let me know what you guys think. Was it worth it, or should we have just ripped it out and replaced it? I'm thinking it was totally worth it.